Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm here with my son JP and we're gonna do a mukbang for you guys. It's actually cheat day for me, so and my hubby's also there in the background. He's also having his lunch right now. Baby Willow is playing there on the mat and JP is here on his phone. But we're gonna have some lunch. We got some dunked wings and just some chicken and chips. And actually we both got the same order. We both got a sweet chili twister. So yeah. Oh, and there's some more chips here. And JP's gonna have some Coke. And I am having some Fanta, which I will also share with him if you want some more. And by the way, in the car we also had some ice cream and JP had an Oreo crusher because, you know, it was so hot and we had to wait long. So we finished our ice cream and Oreo crusher in the car. I'm gonna have the first bite, JP. Cheers. So good. Actually wish it had some more chicken. That is really good. Huh? What do you think? Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
No? I agree. I would have liked a little bit more chicken and a lot more spice, no? I'm gonna have some cold drink. I'm gonna try a dunked wing. Do you like the dumplings? Have you had them before? You should try it.
Well,
What do you think about the dunked wings? Right? This is so good, guys. I'm already starting to get full and there's also dessert. I shouldn't have drank so much cool drink and I shouldn't have eaten that ice cream because I'm starting to get full already. And I have so much food left. And there's lots of dessert. JP also has an Instagram. I'm gonna put his Instagram up on. I'm gonna put his Instagram up on the screen so you guys can go and follow him on Instagram. So who's the best soccer team right now? Who's on top?
Real Madrid.
And who's your team?
Real Madrid.
Okay. I don't know anything about soccer, guys. All I know is what he teaches me, so Real Madrid, that's my team. And the player? Who's your favorite player?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Okay. But doesn't he play for a different team? Who does he play for?
Juventus.
What team are you wearing right now? Oh, it's Real Madrid. Sorry guys, I don't know anything about soccer. Are you done? Wow, he's done. I still have a little bit to go. And all of these dunked wings, we've only had one each. What do you think about the dunked wings? They're good, eh?
Yes.
Are they nice and spicy? And we still have all of this chicken and chips to go. I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish it because there's lots of dessert. I'll show you what dessert looks like just now. Are you ready for dessert, or can you still eat some dunked wings?
He said.
Okay. Show them what's for dessert. This is my favorite part, guys. The actual wrap, the last little bit that has no more filling in, just wrap with a little bit of sauce. That is my favorite part. This variety box is actually made by my sister. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ooh, that looks so yummy. Ooh. Look at that, guys. What are you gonna have?
The sun.
Oh, you want the cheese? What is this? A milk tart.
Yes.
So it comes with 2 milk tarts and looks like 2 cupcakes and 2, I don't know what you call these. I don't know. Isn't this so cute, you guys? JP said he wants to go for the one that looks like a sun, but these are little milk tarts. I'm not going to have milk tart. I am going to have...
Can't Bolo also have a mukbang? My little princess is just here.
I'm going to have one more little wing. And, babe, do you want the milk tart?
Stop. But Bolo wants it. Bolo? She wants a mukbang.
How's the milk tart? You like it? 10 out of 10. There you go. Mini milk tarts, 10 out of 10. Okay. Okay, I'm so stuffed right now. I had my sweet chili twister, I had a few fries, 2 dunked wings, and I'm pretty stuffed right now. I'm gonna drink some cool drink and then also go for dessert. Sorry. Okay, so there are these peanut butter truffles also in the variety box. These are delicious, guys.
Something one thing about the truffle.
Babe wants a peanut butter truffle.
Actually, donkey.
And this, guys, is millionaire shortbread. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious. But I'm not in the mood for that right now.
Okay.
Come here. Ooh, girl. Come here. Look who also wants to join us. Can you say hi, baby? Say hi. Hi. Do you want to share a cupcake with Mama? Look here. Is that yummy? Yeah, do you want a bite? Ooh. I'm going to go for chocolate cupcake. Do you want a bite? Go ahead. Go ahead, have a bite. Is that yummy? Mmm, yummy, Mama. Mmm. Oh my gosh. So good. Nope.
I'm finished.
Are you full?
Yes.
Are you done? I'm just gonna finish my cupcake, guys. Looks like JP is beat. He's full. Babe is full. Mmm, is that yummy? Is that yummy, Nunu? Wow. Did you like that, Nunu? Do you want some more chocolate? Mmm. Please. Oh, yep. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I just thought I would make a quick mukbang video with my son. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing down below and looking forward to seeing you guys again in the next one. Bye! Hi! Hi! Hi, Daddy! Hi, Daddy!